Hi guys, my name's Daniel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up a Zend Server cluster on Amazon using the CloudFormation service. Using Zend Server's integration with CloudFormation, you can gain instant access to a highly reliable PHP stack alongside development and application monitoring tools by effortlessly provisioning and setting up an auto-generated CloudFormation template, which includes a single Zend server, a MySQL database, a Zend Server Elastic group consisting of additional Zend Server instances, an Elastic load balancer, and other pre-configured security definitions. So how does it all work? It's pretty simple actually. In case of an increase or decrease in traffic load, identified by Amazon's CloudWatch alarms included in the template, CloudFormation and the Zend Server cluster will automatically add or remove Zend Server instances to the deployment and apply cluster configurations accordingly. So let's get started. Our first step, which is more of a prerequisite really, is to sign up for the Zend Server Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, you want to use through Amazon's Web Services Marketplace. So, in the Marketplace, I'm going to search for Zend Server. We get a list of all the available Zend Server AMIs. I'm going to go for the Zend Server 7 Enterprise Edition on Debian with PHP 5.5. I'm then going to click this Continue button to sign up for using it. Then, on the CloudFormation page on Zend.com, I'm going to configure the CloudFormation template, which, as you're about to see, is an extremely simple process. First, I'm selecting the Zend Server edition according to the Amazon Machine Image I signed up for before in the Marketplace. Then I'm going to configure the amount of servers my cluster will consist of. First, the amount of servers I want the cluster to start with, and second, the maximum amount of servers my cluster can scale up to in case of an increase in traffic load. Then, I'm going to select an Amazon instance type. An Amazon instance is a virtual server that runs the application created from the selected AMI. They include a combination of CPU, memory, storage, and basically allow you to choose which mix of resources you use for your applications. Of course, each instance type has a different pricing, so take that into consideration. And last but not least, I'm going to set the operating system of the Zend Server instances to be deployed. That's it. Clicking Generate, my template is ready. You can either download the template for editing and future use, or we can deploy the template directly from this page. What we now get is the Amazon Web Services Management Console with the Create Stack wizard open. We can leave the default stack name as is, and the template URL is automatically filled with the URL of the template we just created on Zend.com. Clicking Next on the Specify Parameters page, I'm going to first enter a password for accessing the Zend Server cluster UI. Then, the password of the cluster database. I can leave the database user as is, and I'm then going to name an existing key pair to enable SSH access to the cluster. You've also got the option to enter an email address to be notified of any operational issues. For example, if there's an increase in load that necessitates scaling up the cluster. I'll give it a pass for now. On the next page, you can add tags to your stack to simplify the administration of your infrastructure, and you can configure additional advanced settings for your stack. I'm going to pass on this for now. Click Next to review a summary of the stack deployment, and then click Create to create the stack and deploy the template. The new stack appears in your Management Console's CloudFormation stacks list and may take a few minutes to be created. In the meantime, selecting the Resources tab at the bottom of the page gives you an overview of the various components of the template being created. Once created, select the Outputs tab and click the Cluster Manager URL. What we're looking at now is the XenServer login page. And all we have to do here is enter the cluster UI password we entered on the Specify Parameters page. Clicking the Login button, the XenServer UI loads, and we're presented with the XenServer Guide page. Congratulations! You've now got a XenServer cluster up and running on Amazon. You can now deploy your applications, monitor them, and begin improving their performance. For an overview of the available features, watch the Introducing XenServer video. Thanks for watching.